BC600 Split Type Surface Roughness Tester Operation Guide. The new instrument has been calibrated before leaving the factory. It can be used directly. Connect the corresponding probe to the probe driver. Point the stylus toward the groove direction. Use the probe cable to connect the probe and the instrument. Align the red dot with the red dot on our sensor. Insert and remove straightly. Do not rotate. Press the power button to start the device. Tap Settings and select Measurement Settings. Sampling Length. Select based on the roughness value range. Evaluation Length. Generally select X3 or X5. Range. Generally select positive and negative 20 mm or positive and negative 80 mm. Return to the measurement screen. Gently lower the sensor. Try to keep the stylus position within the upper and lower blue lines when measuring the workpiece. If the needle position deviates significantly from the zero position, press and hold the stylus position adjustment button to zero the position. Press the Store button to view historically saved test values. Measurement results are displayed directly on the screen. Press the Store button to view historically saved test values. Tap the left button to view other units. 20 different measurement data units available.